So it's the weekend, however, Insider is getting prepared for Monday. For tomorrow, we're gonna have a massive price level for a lot of stocks being squeezed and a lot of stock that ready to be squeezed. So let's get right to it. Build a strategy where you take a profit, where you sell, where we should buy again with insiders, not buying at the top and then holding a lot of bags. We don't want to see this happen to you. So let's get ready to hunt. So first off, we talked about AMC lately on June 3rd. 2021 on our live streaming, and what we said this, and we're gonna see hold up around the 25, then the 20. This is, yes, the 25, then the 20. The 25 was around the 29 where we got bought here, and the second one around the 20. It happened, the first bounce, it happened around August. We talked about in June here, and the price went on our level after our live streaming around the 29. It was nice buying pressure. We went again around the 50. Then we said the 20, and exactly what we said around what happened. It happened around December, and that's why we say patient and let the price come to you. Perfect. Bounce from two support, the 25 and the 20, even though it was for the 25 it was 29. However, we got closer for the support, and when everybody think that the price will go to 100, because we said there's a warning sign, we didn't overcome our resistance. So right now we went below even the 20. We said the 12, and after the analysis when we didn't hold the 20. So what we should expect for AMC? AMC is right now have a support around the 1777. We already hold it, and we still bumping. Right now, we need to overcome this massive resistance, the 2080 by the next week. If we held 4-hour candle, green 4-hour candle, next time we're gonna see the price parabolic going up again to have a bit of support here and consolidate. Then we have to test the 2550, not the 30, 2550 for AMC. If we held above the 1777, next one IMPB, look what's happened. The price went near or perfectly around our support, the $1.34, as we said here on our Patreon on the 17th of March when we talked about this support. If we don't hold the $2.25, we're gonna gravitate around the support, and that was around let me just check, yeah, 17th of March, and it happened the jump down around the 21st of March, just a few days, and the price then what happened? The price go up and again find the resistance and never overcome it, the $2. Right now what we should expect, we said it, this is undecision phase right now in IMPB. What I suggest, any price near this support and holding, this is mean is still accumulating and the price will go up. So this is the support, $1.38, and this is the resistance, the $2. Any price go above the $2 is bullish to test the $2.82. Any price doesn't hold above the $2.38, this is bearish, and the price might go even below the $1. Just be careful. Next one we have MULN, and guess what? Right now we broke the support, the $2.72, and we talked about as well in the same day that we did the pre-market update for IMPB, and we talked about this resistance. What we said, the $3.57 is the resistance in this box. We're gonna see a massive test in this box, and guess what? 17th of March, and today what is the 28th of March, and we did a rejection. As we anticipated, we got rejected, the price went down. So right now, where's the support? The support is, let me just take this off. The support is around the $2. Any price hold above the $2 for the next week, we're gonna have the price accumulation before we have a test for the $2.70. Any price hold above the $2.70, we're gonna have the price parabolic this time and go for the $5. Simple as that. Next up, we have AEI. AEI went below our support and it didn't hold. We expected to hold as we did and we anticipated around the 0.40 when we talked about this support, and if we hold above the 0.47, we're gonna have the price parabolic to test the 0.59. We did it. However, this time we didn't hold the 0.59 and went below. And the 0.50 right now is the midway support. We need to hold it in order to confirm that the price will retest the 0.59, and any price close above the 0.59 next time, we're gonna have the $1. Otherwise, if we broke this will be bearish, a bit bearish, because if we just draw this line and see that we're still in kind of bullish momentum channel, and the moment that we break this channel, we're gonna have the price going below the 0.40. This will be big bearish sign for AEI. However, right now the 0.50 is the best price to be above it for AEI to confirm the price go to $1. Next one, we have BBIG. BBIG still have a struggle. For our resistance, we talked about last time, the $3.40 went down. As we talked about, this gap should be hold for BBIG above the $2.66 in order to overcome this resistance, the $3.14 around our exponential average. You see how crazy it is. We tested 3 times because we have our exponential average. Every time we test this exponential average, we massive rejection. Here around the 1st of February, when we have double top, everybody knows the $3.80, and the price went down pretty low until below I think below the $2, around $1.95. So right now we need to hold the $2.66, the price gravitate here, overcome the exponential average this time, and we're gonna have the squeeze area around the $3.80, and we're gonna see the price go at least around the $5 again. Finally, we have INDO, and this one is testing our support and hold perfectly, the $2.22. And right now, what we should expect, any price closing below the 21.35, very bearish. So be careful. Next week we need to hold and bounce. The next bounce, if we bounce and hold above the 22, the short interest will come again around this area. If we hold above the 22, we're gonna have a massive test for INDO around the 29.37, and here we need to hold this support. Otherwise we're gonna have a test for this exponential average. You see, we're gonna have the price go here around this gap around the 15.70, then the price go up to test the resistance around the 22. This will be happening pretty soon. Opponent's stock, which is NILE, and this one, as we talked about it, the $1, it was a resistance. We got rejected. We anticipated the price to get rejected because the $1 is psychological level. We bounced from this level because we have a massive bump from Reddit. Right now the price have another test around the $1 and get rejected. So the $1, if we close around the $1, we're gonna have the price test around the $1.46, then the $2. So those two levels will be tested. Hopefully that was informative, and let me know if you have any question in comment section below, and let's get ready to hunt for tomorrow, for Monday. See you in the next update.